Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I'm gonna, actually I've seen this, a lot of YouTubers do this. They put water in like one of their fidgets and then they freeze it. I'm gonna be actually, I don't know what I'm gonna try. I think I'm gonna try my dimple because my dimple, I'm curious. So I'm gonna be putting like water in my dimple and freezing it. Excited. So we'll just go in here and need to grab my dimple. Okay, so here's my dimple. I have my dimple right here. So this is the good side. This is the bad side. I'm gonna take like the keychain thing off. So it would be a better like choice because I don't want like just to freeze on thing if I get water. So yeah, I took it off. Now we need to put water in the holes. Thingy. Wrong sink. There's my beautiful kitchen. Okay. Why isn't it why is it not filling up all the way? Oh no, it's wet. Okay. I'm gonna put this in the freezer. Okay, so I might want to try more because, yeah. So I'm gonna do my poppet and a simple dimple and a triple dimple. So I'm gonna do 4 things. My dimple, 5. I should do my dimple digits. So this is what I mean. So the ones I'm gonna do are, I don't know which poppet I should do it in. I think I should do it in this one. Yeah, this one. So I'm gonna do it in this poppet. I'm gonna do it in my dimple digits. And I'm gonna, oh, I need to take the keychain off. So my triple dimple and my simple dimple. Yeah. So I'm excited. So I'm gonna take all my fidgets that I'm gonna put water in them and yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna do the poppet. So we're gonna do the poppet first. Okay, so I got that one done. And look guys, I think I need to do a part 2. So I hope you guys liked this video. Like for part 2 and please subscribe because I only have like 14 or 13 subscribers. So please subscribe. And like when people are subscribed and I'm popular, you know, I'm not really popular, people will be like, you don't have that much subscribers, but right now I do, so please subscribe. Bye.